Paul Estrada, and today we're going to talk about osmosis and diffusion laboratory. In this laboratory, we studied some of the basic principles of the molecular movements that make most of the biological process possible.
The two most important definitions for this laboratory are obvious: diffusion and osmosis.
Osmosis is the pass of a solution by a semi-permeable membrane.
And diffusion is the tendency of molecules to fulfill an space.
The materials for the experiment are 2 sheets of cellophane paper, rubber bands,
Scissors, pancake syrup,
distilled water, beakers,
electronic balances,
pipettes,
paper towels, and a Sharpie.
Methods: preparation of a solution, preparation of a high concentration pancake syrup solution, hypertonic solution. On one of the 500 milliliter beaker, fill 200 milliliter of it in pancake syrup. Then fill the rest of the beaker to its maximum capacity with water. Label the beaker.
Second, preparation of a low concentration of pancake syrup solution, hypotonic solution. Under the 500 milliliter beaker, fill 50 milliliters of it of pancake syrup. Then fill the rest of the beaker to its maximum capacity with water. Label the beaker.
Third, both beakers must be mixed very well until accomplishing perfect homogeneity in the solution.
Fixing the cellular membrane. First, tear with the scissors the cellophane paper into 4 equal square pieces. Second, create a small bag using your hands and begin to close with the rope or the rubber band, or it.
Third, when closing the bag, one of the partners will add to a first bag with 10 milliliter of the low concentration of syrup, and make other 2 bags with 10 milliliter each of high concentration of syrup. Tightly use the rope or the clip to avoid dripping or escape of water. You can use Vaseline to pour a bit on the knot. Also try to label the bags. After doing the bags and checking there's no water leaking, you must dry them nicely and weight them very accurately.
Fixing the media. First, the rest of the mixture of water with syrup will be divided into 2 per each flask.
Second, take 2 of the 250 milliliter flask and divide the high concentration syrup solution into 2 equal parts, meaning this that you're probably use it to 20 milliliter for 500 milliliter. Therefore, you have 450 milliliter left on each flask. Then you have to take 240 milliliters to each flask. Third, take the 2 other 250 milliliter flask and repeat the last step with the other solution. Fourth, label properly the flasks.
Osmosis. 1. Take one flask of each solution and add 1 bag of the opposite concentration. 2. Take the remaining 2 flasks and add the bags in respective concentration. Third, as soon as you add the bags, try to do it simultaneously. Begin to count 10 minutes after the time has gone. Release the bags from the water and dry them out with paper towel and weigh them. Take notes of the initial weight and then wait every 10 minutes.
Oiga, si ven los guantes, siento el agua en los guantes.
Sí, se siente frito, rico. At the lab, we noticed that some bags took liquid but others released it. The cellophane paper that we used was colored. Due to the color of the cellophane papers, the bags had more permeability. After 40 minutes, the bags maintained a range of weight. Nothing really went wrong. We did a really good laboratory work, but at the end we had to clean everything because it was really messy.